Hey guys, it's Starring TK here. Well, I'm probably gonna have to post this on a different channel, but I'm gonna show you how to basically make a dagger with a pin and two toothpicks and two springs. So you can obviously get these out of pins, and so you want to take this off. Oh, and make sure this is out. So we don't need that. Kind of looks weird. And then grab one toothpick and then put one in here. And then grab your other one, which I just lost into the computer. Hold on. That's beautiful. Okay. 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 Now you get this toothpick, put that in there, and then put the other one right in here. Okay. Wait, other side actually. So put this in. Okay. So you want it to look like this. And then you want to add the other spring that has this little coil at the end to the point where you want the toothpick to come out of the pin. So basically I want it to come out on this end. So I'm going to put it there for the other spring not to come off. And then get your pin and then stick that in there, lift it up. Mine is the perfect size for this, and yeah. And there you go. Now you can lift it up. That's what the spring was for. So you can lift it up and then down. So that is how you make a dagger out of a pin, two toothpicks, and two springs.